All of the items that I'm sharing in this video are tried and true. I use them in my own apartment. So I wanted to just jump in about some of the products I get asked about, some of the best sellers off of my Amazon shop, as well as just some of my favorite pieces that I have been really loving lately. Hi everyone, I'm Allie and welcome back to my channel. If you didn't already know, I live in an apartment, but I try to style it the best I can to feel like home. But we all know rent is really expensive, and that means I'm looking for some high-end home decor on a budget. That's why I love shopping on Amazon for some of those more unique finds. So the first one is the item that I am most asked about, and that is my gallery light or picture light. You can see it, it's this shoulder right here, over my shoulder right here, and I always get a ton of questions about these, and so I figure we might as well start with this one. I've purchased quite a few different picture lights that are battery operated off of Amazon, which is a great renter-friendly hack, by the way, because they don't require any hard wiring and adds such an awesome little touch to a room. But this one that I have in my bedroom is by far my favorite. Like, these battery-operated picture lights have gone so far since they started trending a couple years back. And so I love incorporating them above a gallery wall. They also look really good above a shelf or really anywhere where you want to highlight or feature something on the wall. And this one that I have in my bedroom is definitely like the best one I've found. I purchased it in black and then rub and buffed it to give it a little bit more of that antique look, though it also comes in a gold shade. So it's totally up to you what you want to buy or DIY with this one, but hands down, one of my favorite Amazon products. Real quick, in between items right here, everything that I'm mentioning throughout this video, you can find linked down in the description box, as well as over on my Amazon storefront. Over on my Amazon storefront, I also have some curated boards of different items I've used throughout different rooms in my apartment, the power tools that I use, my favorite DIY supplies, as well as some of my favorite renter-friendly products. So you can also check that out. Again, all of that is going to be linked down below. So this next item here, I would consider a real designer dupe, and it is these seagrass baskets. They come in a set of 2. I picked the dark brown colorway, but they also come in a natural color, but I really liked this look for styling in the bedroom. But these are like a real designer dupe. I've seen seagrass baskets like this on McGee & Co., which is one of my favorite places to look for inspiration. They'd be great for a coffee table to hide remotes in, or you can also just use them for extra storage, because I love any sort of decor, especially living in an apartment, that is not only stylish, but functional like these are. Next, I have a really fun find that also makes a fantastic gift idea, and it is this valet tray, which I love this because it keeps the nightstand so much more organized. I purchased this for my boyfriend for his nightstand so that he'd have some designated places to put some of his items that he wants by the nightstand. And to make it even better, it comes with a little wireless charger. So you can set your phone just right on here and it charges it, which is so awesome. And this is just really stylish with this like faux leather look, and also incredibly practical. Now this next one is a little bit of a bigger, kind of more expensive find, but not expensive for what it is, and that is the nightstands that I have in my bedroom, which I cannot recommend these anymore. They are so nice. I love that they have not only 2 drawers, which is so great for storage, they also have that bottom shelf, which again is super great for storage or also just for styling some decor. And I also thought they made such a fantastic dupe of this Amber Interiors nightstand right here that is way more expensive than the ones that I have in the bedroom. And I really think that these are super high quality for Amazon. I personally swapped out the silver knobs that they came with for some antique brass ones, and it really elevated the look. And they also come in a couple different colorways. Another item that I am just loving off of Amazon right now are these battery operated taper candles. I purchased a pack that came in 6, and they are real wax, which is really cool. And you can see them up above my, hold on, how do I aim that right? There, okay. You can see them over my shoulder right there, and I just think they're super nice because they're flameless, so you don't have to worry about styling these and leaving them on. I think that makes them also super great for renters or in dorms because they give you that candle-like ambiance without having a real flame. Also super great just for decorations because then you don't have to worry about them. Like this is just like the best way to go versus a real taper candle if you want to be able to use them in your decor and use them safely. Also thinking ahead, like super far ahead for the holidays, these would be great all the way through the fall through the Christmas season. My next Amazon favorite, which really I think brought this whole room together, is actually behind the camera right here. And that is this lovely, gorgeous arch mirror. It is a full-length mirror, and for the price of this mirror, you really cannot beat the quality. It's super heavy, super beautiful, nice, thin, modern looking frame. There are a ton of different arch mirror options all over Amazon, but I think this one has the best bang for your buck, not only in size, but also in quality. Next, I love to buy throw pillow covers off of Amazon. So let's specifically talk about these right here, which are in the background, of course. Now, I've had some similar ones like this before throughout my apartment, which I had just like in a natural linen color. I went through a bunch of different throw pillows when I was shopping for this bedroom, or throw pillow covers, I guess, off of Amazon. And this one I found to be just the perfect shade of green. I love that they're that nice linen texture, so they look really high-end, and the little fringes around the outside add such a nice detail. You just add your own pillow insert, which I also get those off of Amazon. And this came in a pack of 2, which is such a good deal. And I just love using throw pillow covers way more than just a full pillow that you like maybe buy at Target or something like that, because they're easier to store when you want to swap them out for the seasons or want to change your decor. And all you have to do is just get one that fits your pillow insert, and then you are ready to go. Okay, let's put this back real quick. Okay, now that that is put away, let's move on to the next item. And that is this marble tray right here. It is a marble vanity tray, and honestly, it is so heavy. Like, it's kind of hard to hold up because of how much weight and how substantial this item is. But I just think this thing is so pretty. I'm kind of holding it up here so you can see the beautiful stone look that this has. I love this as an entryway drop tray, or you can use it on a vanity or on your dresser or nightstand. This is just super nice. The oval shape is perfect because it is kind of thin, so you can put it in a smaller area or on a smaller surface like a console table or something. This is just such a great idea, not only as your own decor, but also a really good gift, like a housewarming gift, or maybe like someone who really just loves home decor. A substantial marble tray is perfect. Now let's talk about area rugs, which I love Amazon for area rugs because they are so affordable. I specifically want to talk about the Loloi rugs. I love, like absolutely love the rug that is in this bedroom. It has such pretty colors with the blues, greens, and kind of like a peachy rust orange color in there. I think this added that perfect touch of color that the space needed while tying everything together with a beautiful pattern. And I also love these Loloi rugs because of the price point. This is an 8x10 rug, and I got it so affordably for an 8x10. They come in all sorts of sizes, including runners, and I think they might also have accent sized rugs. So speaking of accent rugs, I'm going to talk about the one in my entryway. Now this is not a Loloi rug, but I really love this little tiny rug. It is just a small 2x3 rug I put right by the door, and it's held up so well. I love that I'm able to just throw it in the wash when it gets dirty, because honestly, why did I pick a cream rug to go in the entryway? I don't know. I don't know why I did that, but this rug is just beautiful. It comes in a bunch of different designs and is super affordable as well. And so again, that's always what I look for in a rug because they can just get so expensive. Next, let's talk about this throw blanket, which I guess I should have folded it nicely or something for this video. Hold on. Whatever, that's good enough. It is this beautiful navy blue knitted throw blanket. It's got the little fringes on the bottom or on the edges, which I just love that. I don't know, I always love that about a throw blanket. And it has a really cute design. I'll hold it up so you can kind of see. It's kind of got like a zigzag and a stripe going on. And I bought this to use outside for the patio because navy blue or like royal blue and light blue, I don't know, blues were the color scheme for the patio, and that's why I went with this one, which is just such a nice, like, lightweight but high quality throw blanket. It comes in so many different color options. Also another great gift idea. Another one of my Amazon favorites, which also are a great money saver, are the frames on the wall behind me. These big square gallery frames are super trendy. They've been having a moment for a while now, and I love that they create that really nice minimal gallery wall look. But the frames and mats like this from a high-end store are expensive. I'm talking like upwards of $100 for something like this. So I was able to purchase these frames, which I think are perfect, off of Amazon. I think I have 16 by 16 up on the wall, but they have all sorts of different sizes, whether you want smaller or even bigger. They don't have the mat in them, so what I did was, because I saved so much money on the frames themselves, I went to Hobby Lobby and I just had them custom cut down some mat for me that would fit in the frame to exactly the size of the photos that I wanted. I did 8 by 8 photos, and the mats were definitely the more expensive part of this, but I calculated it and I think I still had like $100 to $200 savings by going this route versus some of the other options that were available, where you can get that nice big minimal mat with that minimal looking frame. And so yeah, these are definitely a must buy if you're going for this look. And another Amazon item that I am loving is in my craft room, which are these pink velvet curtains. Again, they come in other colors, so if pink is not to your taste, you can always go with any of the other options, but they are really a high quality velvet curtain that is also a blackout curtain, which is fantastic, especially for a bedroom space. I think these will look really sweet in a little girl's room, also just really nice in, like I said, a bedroom or maybe even an office if you want to bring in that nice richness that velvet brings. This was just a really great buy, and I love the richness and pop of color that they bring into the space. Now, all of these Amazon finds that I have been talking about throughout this video have actually been featured throughout my bedroom, as you probably caught on. So if you haven't seen my bedroom makeover video yet and want to see all of these items in action and actually in place throughout my apartment, you can click on this video right here. Everything that I am mentioning throughout this video is linked down in the description box, and that's everything I have for you today. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.